Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the JBL Live Beam 3, the latest wireless earbuds that promise to revolutionize your audio experience. Before you make a choice on your next pair of premium earbuds, you need to watch this comprehensive review where I've done all the research to help you decide if these are worth your investment. I'll also include a link to the best price I could find in the description below. So you clicked because you want to know if the JBL Live Beam 3 earbuds deliver on their promises. We'll evaluate everything from price point to performance, real-world usage scenarios, and whether they justify their premium positioning. Let's dive right in and get started. The JBL Live Beam 3's standout feature has to be the revolutionary 1.45-inch touchscreen display built right into the smart charging case. This isn't just a gimmick, it gives you complete control over your audio settings without reaching for your phone, whether you're connected to your laptop, TV, smartphone, or tablet. The touchscreen interface is remarkably responsive and allows you to adjust EQ settings, manage noise cancellation levels, and even check battery status at a glance. Speaking of technical specifications, these earbuds pack 10mm dynamic drivers that deliver JBL's signature sound with high-res audio wireless certification. The frequency response spans an impressive range, ensuring deep bass reproduction, balanced mid-range clarity, and refined high frequencies that don't fatigue your ears even during extended listening sessions. With support for LDAC codec, you're getting exceptional audio quality that rivals wired connections. The target audience for these earbuds is clearly professionals and audiophiles who demand versatility. Whether you're a remote worker needing crystal-clear conference calls, a commuter wanting to block out ambient noise, or a fitness enthusiast requiring durable audio gear, the Live Beam 3 adapts to your lifestyle. The true adaptive noise-canceling technology uses 4 noise-sensing microphones that automatically adjust to your environment in real time, creating an immersive audio bubble wherever you are. Furthermore, the 6-microphone beam-forming array for calls is nothing short of remarkable. These microphones work together to isolate your voice while reducing wind and background noise interference. The personal sound amplification feature lets you customize ambient sound levels, essentially creating your ideal calling environment whether you're in a busy cafe or walking on a windy street. Battery life is absolutely outstanding with these earbuds. You get 12 hours of continuous playback with ANC off, plus an additional 36 hours from the charging case, totaling 48 hours of listening time. Moreover, the quick charge feature delivers 4 hours of playback from just 10 minutes of USB-C charging. The case also supports wireless charging, adding another layer of convenience for users with Qi-compatible charging pads. The multi-point connection capability is exceptionally well implemented, allowing seamless switching between 2 Bluetooth devices. You can watch a video on your tablet and instantly take a call from your phone without any manual switching or connection drops. This feature alone makes these earbuds perfect for multitaskers and productivity-focused users. Additionally, the IP55 rating ensures these earbuds can handle dust, sweat, and water splashes, making them suitable for outdoor adventures and intense workout sessions. Whether you're running in light rain or cycling on dusty trails, the Live Beam 3 earbuds will keep performing reliably. However, one notable downside some users may find is the relatively large charging case due to the touchscreen display. While the screen adds incredible functionality, it does make the case bulkier than competitors, which might be less pocket-friendly for those who prefer ultra-compact designs. You got it. So that's it for the best premium wireless earbuds on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped, comment below if you're gonna buy them or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.